It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 16th of February. I'm Michael Groff. One of those Chamber of Commerce sort of days today. Mostly sunny skies will be climbing up into the mid and upper 70s. And then by tomorrow, clouds will be on the increase and a good shot at rain this weekend. Now, just how much rain are we going to get? We'll talk about that, plus everything else related to our weather. But first, we look outside and observe a mostly sunny start to the day. 54 degrees right now at Sky Harbor, just after 8 o'clock. Dew point at 35, relative humidity 50%. The winds are light. The barometer is rising. Temperatures across the area this morning. Some cool spots out there. Fort McDowell, 42. Maricopa and Buckeye at 43. 47 Litchfield Park, but most of us in the upper 40s and low 50s in the urban core. Mostly clear skies across the state right now. A few clouds toward the Colorado River. Watch warning map shows some flash flood watches on the Southern California coast from San Diego to LA, Santa Barbara. Big snows expected in the Sierra. Some snows in the northeast as well with another winter storm there. But in the nation's midsection, very warm conditions, spring-like weather, windy and warm. Highs getting into the low 70s in places like Kansas City today. So as a result, eastern Kansas, much of Missouri under red flag warnings and extreme fire danger concerns. Don't think of that often in February. Meanwhile, on the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather expected anywhere, but some thunder possible in South Texas as well as out here in the west. So let's delve into our weather and get down to those juicy details as we take a look at the models and see what's happening. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock today. The big features on the board, the upper low that affected us the last few days, moving off into West Texas today. High pressure overhead. So we'll have mostly sunny skies, high temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 70s today. A few desert locations could see 80. The sky mostly sunny, maybe a few afternoon clouds. Should be a beautiful day, though. Tonight, we're partly cloudy and mild, lows in the upper 40s to mid 50s. Tomorrow, clouds will increase. Trough rapidly deepening off the west coast. Rain in Southern California, heading up towards southern Nevada. The Las Vegas area, northern Arizona, Kingman, Grand Canyon, Flagstaff. Should see some rain tomorrow, maybe some higher elevation snows. Snow level should be fairly high, though, initially. High temperatures here in the valley tomorrow with those mostly cloudy skies getting into the mid-70s. Don't think we see rain until late tomorrow night and into Saturday morning, though. Speaking of Saturday, here we go. Now, some of the models over the last few days had taken a lot of the energy with this system further to the south across northern Mexico, leaving us in just sort of a general light rain scenario. But over the last couple of runs, the European and the GFS are trending this low a little bit further to the north and a little bit of the upper forcing and better dynamics further north towards southern Arizona. So right now, the prospect of some heavier rain does appear to be possible here Saturday, especially late Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. With difluent flow, some upper support, some cold air aloft near the international border, the possibility of some heavier rain. Maybe a few thunderstorms certainly is on the table for Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. See the 1,000 millibar low there near Blythe, California, Saturday morning at 11 a.m. And we have plenty of moisture. The ingredients are coming into play. Precipitable water values near an inch or so across southern and southwest Arizona. Upper winds start to pick up. These are the 500 millibar winds, and you see some pretty decent difluent flow here. So rain will be picking up and spreading north and good upslope flow. So good rain for the mountains north and east of Phoenix as well. And then on Sunday, that starts to shift off to the east, but we'll still have some scattered to numerous showers around. And highs both days will be in the mid-60s and the sky cloudy. I don't think it rains all day on Sunday, but Saturday does look kind of like a washout with periods of rain, heavy at times, especially across southwest Arizona late in the afternoon, and maybe a few thunderstorms. How much rain? Well, some of the models are hinting at around an inch with this feature. I still think we should keep it kind of conservative and say anywhere from a half inch to an inch of rain here in the valley. And the potential of flash flooding does exist. Now, right now, there's no flash flood watches for our area, but that is a potential hazard that we need to keep in mind. Then on Monday, all of that moves off to the east. Big rains for the southern plain states. We should see mostly sunny skies, high temperatures rebounding a bit, back toward the upper 60s and low 70s. Tuesday, mostly sunny skies, maybe a few clouds coming in. High temps, upper 60s and low 70s. And then this is Wednesday, another trough beginning to approach the area. Possibility for some rain, perhaps in northern Arizona, some high elevation snows, And maybe here in the valley, we could see some rain right now. That does not appear to be likely as this system tracks further to the north. But some of the runs over the last couple of days had taken this trough a little further south. So we'll see. Plenty of time to look at that. And this is a week from today, Thursday, February 23rd. That trough over the Rockies. Dry northwesterly flow here, but we're cool. High temperatures mainly in the mid-60s. Friday the 24th. I'd say a little bit unsettled, at least some clouds around. And cool temperatures, mid to upper 60s. And then this is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, February 25th. Mainly zonal flow, but with deep troughing to the west, still plenty of clouds would be around. High temperatures near seasonal normals, maybe a tad below, upper 60s to low 70s. Speaking of temperatures, as we look at those off the European ensemble, the yo-yo, of course, will continue. Warm today and tomorrow, then much cooler this weekend, a bit warmer early next week. Then with more systems expected to come through, we'll cool off again. But ultimately, it's a yo-yo up a staircase as we head toward March and April. Those temperatures will gradually be trending up. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great Thursday.